It is the 22nd of July 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about workers keeping unwanted jobs for health insurance. 3 other top news stories featured on LINGUAWIRE.com today. First, Nike coupe des vendeurs en ligne en Chine. Nike cuts online sellers in China. Luc Littler fait un 9 dart et gagne 11-8. Luc Littler makes a 9 dart and wins 11-8. Enquête sur un opérateur du prompteur de la Maison Blanche. Investigation into a White House teleprompter operator. And now today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud, slowly, and see how much you already understand. Now let us decode it word by word. Un quart means a quarter. Des salariés means of workers. Garde means keeps, un travail. Is a job. Non voulu means not wanted. So the headline says, a quarter of workers keep a job they do not want. One useful pattern here is des salariés. French often uses des before a plural noun, so you can spot straight away that we are talking about workers in general, not one worker. Aux États-Unis, des salariés assurés gardent un travail non voulu. In the United States, insured workers keep a job they do not want. Gardant comes from garder, to keep. Here it is in the they form because the subject is des salariés. More examples are on today's lesson sheet linked below. Ils gardent ce travail pour ne pas perdre leur assurance santé. They keep this job so as not to lose their health insurance. Pour is a very useful connector. Here it shows purpose, the reason for the action. More examples in the lesson sheet. Un sondage dit qu'un quart des salariés est dans ce cas. A survey says that a quarter of workers are in this situation. Une quart is the key number today. It means 1 out of 4. Cela fait environ 23 millions d'adultes. That makes about 23 million adultes. Adulte is a useful people word for the news. It means grown-up people, not children. Beaucoup de personnes ont peur du prix des soins. Many people are afraid of the cost of care. Today's word is soin. Say it with me, soin. Listen for the nasal sound at the end. Now for the pattern of the day, garder. To keep, je garde. Tu gardes. Il garde. Nous gardons. Vous gardez. Il garde. The line uses the they form, gardent. One last time, read today's headline again at full speed. Before you go, here is one question from today's story. Why do many workers keep a job they do not want? Is it A, pour garder l'assurance santé, pour changer de ville, or C, pour jouer un match? The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet linked below. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.